Did you know that you could integrate Zoho Forms to CRM and all other various applications? Watch this video to learn how. And since you're already here, make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon so you won't miss our other easy-to-follow tutorials.
Imagine that you've created an event registration form and would like to integrate this form with another application. To do that, you need to click on Edit icon. And go to Integration section. You will see a robust list of applications available for integration. For example, it is possible to create a new lead record in CRM based on the information that a potential customer enters into a form. Click on Integrate. Pick a CRM module you want a new record to be created in and choose a layout. Then, it is necessary to map fields in a section below. The most important here is to make sure that fields of both applications are mapped right. A last name field in CRM should be mapped with the last name field in Zoho Forms, first name with first name, and so on. And let's map email. Check the boxes below if you need to trigger any action, like a workflow, blueprint, send any attachment. Make sure that all entries are approved first before creating a new record. Don't worry if the information about the lead had already been inserted in CRM before. You can always check Upsert Record box, so the record will be just updated if it already exists. From now on, as soon as a potential customer fills in a form, I'll see a newly created record in Zoho CRM Leads module.
Congrats on learning another skill. You now know how to integrate your Zoho Forms to your CRM and other applications. If this video was helpful, hit the like button, press the bell icon, and share it to people you know. And if you need clarifications, we are available at knowhow@customerization.ca.